Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure the watch has at least a 50% charge and the latest Boat Xtend firmware. This avoids interruptions. Next, install and sign into the Amazon Alexa app on your phone using the same Amazon account that you'll use on the watch. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone and open the Boat Cipher app. Pair the watch to the app. This initial sequence links accounts and permissions so Alexa can run on the watch reliably. You now enable Alexa in the Boat Cipher app and grant the app required permissions. Microphone and background activity are essential so voice queries work even when the app is minimized. After enabling Alexa, make sure notifications and location are allowed, because Alexa routines and some skills depend on them. Then, configure how you invoke Alexa, either voice wake or a press and hold on the crown. This choice affects battery life and responsiveness. You finish by verifying functionality. Ask, Alexa, what's the weather? And try playing music or setting a timer to confirm audio and responses. If Alexa does not respond, update both watch firmware and the Boat Cipher and Alexa apps, then reboot the watch and phone. Many issues clear after a restart. If the microphone still fails, recheck mic permission and Bluetooth pairing, and repair the device if needed. This one tip solves most connectivity and permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.